So this video is talking about syllables and word stress. Syllables are small units of sounds, and some words have one syllable like the word read. The word pencil has two syllables and eraser has three syllables. The creator gives an example of the word read. The word read has two vowel letters and it has one vowel sound. It means that the word read has one syllable. A syllable can also have one or more consonant sounds. For example, the word stop. It has three consonant sounds and one vowel sound, but the word stop has one syllable. Some examples of the word that has more than one syllable, such as notebook, conversation, and repeated. And in the next session, the creator discussed about the word stress. So every word that has more than one syllable has one stress syllable. For example, is the word international. The word stress is placed on the third syllable. It's on the na. So the correct way to read it is international. The stress syllable can be longer, louder, higher in pitch, and its vowel is clear. Some of the words that have word stress are like conversation, independence, information, and many more. And for the rest of the syllable that's not stressed, or we usually call it as an unstressed syllable, it becomes shorter, softer, lower, such as problem, study, possible, and many more.
Indonesian is like the melody of spoken language. It how our voice goes up and down when we are talk. The pitch variation can convey different meaning like emotion, intention. For the example, when we make a question, our voice tends to go up at the end, signaling the curiosity and uncertainty. On the other hand, when we make a statement, our voice often descends, indicating certainty or completion. Our intonation also helps us emphasize certain words or parts of sentence, drawing attention of what's important. Beyond this basic function, intonation can convey a wide range of emotion, from excitement and surprise to boredom or sarcasm. It adds depth and nuance to our words, making our communication richer and engaging. While the basics of intonations are universal, each language and culture has its own unique patterns and norms. For example, the intonation pattern of English uh, might differ from those of Mandarin or Spanish. Understanding this difference is crucial for active cross-cultural communication. In summary, intonation is like the soundtrack of spoken language. It gives our words life and meaning, allowing us to express ourselves in a more nuanced and engaging way.
Hello, I'm gonna tell you about what is connected speech in phonetics. So, connected speech in phonetics refers to the natural flow of spoken language where words are connected together smoothly without distinct pauses between them. It's called linking. In phonetics, connected speech phenomena include process like assimilations, elisions, and instruction and so on. Assimilation occurs when sounds in neighboring words influence each other, such as in handbag, pronounced handbag, due to the nasal assimilation of the N sound. And then I can give you some example like and when an extra sound, typically of vowels, is inserted between words for ease of articulation, like in for the example law and order, it can be pronounced like law and order. These processes collectively contribute to the fluidity and efficiency of spoken language. And if you hear about connected speech, there will be a reduced word in connected speech. This kind of thing refers to the process where certain words are pronounced with less emphasis or shortened forms in spoken language. This reduction occurred to facilitate smoother and more efficient communication. In phonetic terms, reduced words typically involve change in vowel sounds, consonant clusters, and syllable stress patterns. So, for the example is in the phrase cup of tea. For the example, the p sound in the cup might be pronounced as b to the following to the sound in of. For example, is cup of tea, cup of tea. It can be it can hear as b, not the p. Cup, cup of tea, cup of tea.
So this video discussed about reduced words. It's the short forms that many small grammar words have when they are in the stressed position. For example is, I'm going to the supermarket. Do you need anything? Yes, could you get a carton of milk? And 3 or 4 bananas too? Okay, I'll get all of these things. But the bakery is too far. I'll get bread from the supermarket. And many more.
Hope you understand what I say. Thank you for listening me and see you in the next video.